Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you another yummy puff puff recipe with just two ingredients. I'm using two main ingredients and the two secret ingredients. Let's get started. Here I have my flour. I'll be using 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm not counting this as part of the ingredients. So the main ingredient here is yeast. I'm using 1 tablespoon of yeast, and the sugar also is another main ingredient. I'll be adding 1/3 cup of sugar. You can add more if you want to. And here is our secret ingredients, one of them. I'm using vanilla flavor powder. This is vanilla flavor powder. And another ingredient is milk flavor powder. So I'm using vanilla flavor and the milk flavor. You can skip this if you want to. It's not compulsory. That's why I said it's secret ingredients. But it takes the taste to another level. I'll stir it. I'll also add little salt to it. You can also skip this. All these ones are not that necessary. The main things here is flour, sugar, and yeast. You are done. You can make your puff puff. But these ones are added ingredients for more flavor and more sweetness or deliciousness. And then after mixing it, I'll go in with some water. I'm using lukewarm water here. And for these 4 cups of all-purpose flour, I'll be using 2.5 cups of water. I'll mix it and then we cover and allow it to rise or to activate more. I will cover this and keep it in a warm place for about 1 hour. You can keep it up to 2, 3. And after 1 hour, our puff puff dough has doubled or tripled in size. The yeast is very much active, so it activated it very well. I'll just mix it one more time to remove the air in it, and then we go ahead and start frying it. After dropping in the dough, then I will stir in and then frying it on medium heat until golden brown. And I will fry the rest of the dough of batter same way. Yeah, and here we have our puff puff, hot, soft, fluffy, and above all, delicious. I hope you try this out. You will love it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like our video, share our video, and also subscribe to our channel. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.